Hello, are you trying to gain more followers on TikTok? Here's some tips that may help. People tell you to choose a cliché for YouTube, well, the same thing is for TikTok. So as an editor, choose a main fandom of who you are going to edit. This way you can build a group of fans and get more mutuals because they come to your account for edits of that certain person. Therefore you will be able to get more fans because if you make edits of that person, the For You page will recommend your account to those who like that person. Then your video will get more attention. People don't say this enough, good quality and mutuals are key. The reason for this is if you have good quality, the video will most likely get put out there more and mutuals will get more people on your For You page, so this means you can get more and you will gain. Another tip is, post consistently. This will make people reliable on you because they know you will post. Also try new styles and practice. I have a few tutorials on my YouTube for my style of editing, and there is multiple ways of editing. Another key thing is to put your edits on every platform you have because the more people see your edit on there, the more will go to your TikTok page and follow you. Sorry for this only being short, but I hope it helped you. My TikTok page is at BNDAEP and I will be posting more tutorials and challenges on here. Thank you.